What's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so yeah, let's go over today what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. Hold on 1 second here. Looks like Marvel's trying something here. Oh wow. So yeah, that doesn't look too bad either. So it looks like we're trying for this empty space as well. But yes, give me 1 second here. I'm going to tell the team members we're on live. And yeah, we're going to go over it. We're going to go over today what happened here. What I also will be looking for. So yeah, 1 second here. I'm going to tell the team members we're on live. At everyone. Alright, so pull that up. Hold on, I'm going to also pull up the live stream as well. The other live stream. So yeah, give me 1 second here. Let's see. Dang, yeah, that's going crazy right now. Yeah, that looks really good. But yeah, I'll go over pretty much everything. 1 second here. I gotta pull up the other chat. So yeah, what a crazy day. What a great day so far. And I'm not even looking at any of the comments, so I will look at that pretty soon. Give me 1 second. Please pull up now. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. Yo, Jojo, thanks for liking the live stream. Sky Guy, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. So yeah, today, it was quick. It was a nice, easy day. I'm still seeing Marvel though, so Marvel doesn't look too bad. I'll definitely end up seeing how that'll look. So what I can see here, and you know, this doesn't look too bad actually. We still have this empty space above us. What, now we're in 30 minutes before that candle ends up closing. Do want to see if we can potentially get that empty space move. So yeah, it actually doesn't look terrible. So I need to check the contract, see how that looks as well. And yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything. So today, very easy day. AVGO, QQQ. Dang, hold on. I'm trying to charge my my device really quickly, but it won't reach. So yeah, let's see. Yo, Soul, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Yo, Doctor, what's up, man? Good to see you, Doc. Say 1 second, 1 second. Alright, so for the Qs, target ended up hitting. This morning was a very easy day. I will completely say it was great. I knew what I wanted. I told the team members exactly what I wanted here. We end up getting these, or this entry here. You can see what, the before, the after. We ended up having this POTTERBOX. We didn't get in, or we didn't have an entry, and I'm glad we didn't because I was waiting for this one at market open. And as you can see, we end up touching that first and that final TP. So that ended up being beautiful. Shout out to one of the members there. Thanks to Rug for this beautiful chart. End up doing that as well. And also HOD. So I'll go over this one. I'll be completely honest. So I had this one charted, so you can see the before, the after on there. So yeah, and these are the trades I end up posting. QQQ, got into those calls, and also HOD. So, and this was right before market open. I knew what I wanted. We end up going above our wall, and yeah, I tried to get in, but my position didn't want to fill, which is perfectly fine. Had the Qs to make it up, had AVGO to make it up, but I really wanted Hood. I'll be honest, I really wanted this one, but yeah, couldn't get that entry, but you could see when we called that out, a few of the members ended up getting that too as well, though. Yo, Bobby, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. Yo, Chris. What's up, good looking? What's up, dude? RIVN, yeah, perfect. Let's see. Wow, Zom went crazy. RIVN. Are you on the 10-minute or the 30-minute? So on the Qs, I was on the 30-minute. So QQ chart, I was on the 30-minute. Hood, I was on what? 4-hour, 2-hour chart. But yeah, that was pretty much it. So what I can see now is this. Yo, Kid Roy, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. So let's see. So as of right now, yes, we ended up hitting that first TP and that final. You can see where we called this out in the day trade. Sorry, I can't even speak right now. Still pretty hyped about this morning. But yeah, you can see the befores, the afters, what we ended up doing there. You can see when the Qs were. AVGO was hitting. You can see we were close to that final TP. I told the members I will stop out if we can't hit it. So I was still holding those runners, see if we could, finally hit that final. And we did just that. We ended up touching it perfectly. You see in the day trading alerts what we had there. Pretty simple day. Now, what I'm seeing is this. And I still like this a lot. This looks good to me. This is something that I definitely will still wait for. Which is this. So let's see. We do have this clear gap up with no consolidation. So yeah, clear nice little gap that I would like to take to the downside. What I can see is, yeah, we do have a nice POTTERBOX that needs to be broken. So same way how we caught to the top. We had the empty space. Seeing that clear gap down. So, and it was simple. If you joined my live stream this morning, you could have seen that same little thing here. We had this clear gap down, empty space. We wanted to push up, got into those calls. So same thing. We have this nice gap up that I am targeting to this downside. So you can see where these two body candles are having a hard time getting under. So one body candle there, another body candle there. I'm looking for that nice break under that 577 to go into that empty space. So that's pretty much it. I just waited for my targets, waited for the entry. We end up getting in, and yeah, that was it. All right, so RIVN, let's take a look here. Dude, I kid you not. This is honestly insane right now. I feel like, I may not say every time, but a lot of times. Hold on one second. So yeah, I will say a lot of the times that I do end up charting, this ends up hitting. So what I can see here, same exact thing. We did have this empty space. So what? Clear gap up, no consolidation. Yeah, we had a nice box, nice POTTERBOX. Top wall, bottom wall. This is what needed to be broken in order for us to target into this downside. We end up, yeah, getting in that nice break below this wall here. So what, below this bottom wall. As you can see, yeah, we hit that first, very close to that final though. So, we could end up finishing that move. Honestly, yeah, yeah, that first TP hit, that was crazy. Let's see, hold on, give me a second. I do see a little bit of upside, but as for that, if we can, I do want to see that 1376 area being hit. That will be my, final TP. That's, what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. Looks good. All right, so the video ended up going crazy there. Ended up calling this one inside the live chart finds too as well. So you can see before is pretty much that after there too as well. But yeah, we'll keep on going. So I do want to go over Tesla. So I will be honest, I think this morning when I went over Tesla, I didn't see anything that was catching my eye. And I'll be honest, I do like trading Tesla. Tesla's something that I look forward to trading. But, and yes, this was on a 24-hour, so this was not on a 1 hour, by the way. So this was the box that we had for that 24-hour. But anyways, so I still like the upside end of day here. We do have this, clear gap down here. No consolidation. So this will be more of an end of day play for me. So this morning I was like, it looks good. We can potentially go there. But I didn't see anything that was catching my eye until, possibly the end of the day, of course. But maybe on a 1 hour, maybe a, let's see. Yo, Jerry, what's up? CRWV, yeah, no worries, man, got you. All right, so let's see. So as of right now, this is something that I do like. This is something that they're interested in for sure. We do have what? This clear, move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the downside, of course. And right now, yeah, we do have this empty space that's under us. We end up getting under this 344. So yeah, nice Potter box. Top wall, seller's control. This is where, sellers literally have control. So this is where price can push down. But what I'm looking for is nice break under that 344 area. So that empty space looks really, really fire. So yeah, this is something that I will wait for. Looks good. But yeah, I knew this morning we weren't going to get it, or would take some time for sure. Have to go down what, $9-10 to this downside. So yeah, I'll still wait for that. And yeah, there will be plays like we end up. So yeah, shout out to Stinger. Love that, praise the Lord. Let's go. So yeah, shout out, yeah, went crazy. So yeah, keep up the great work. But we end up having the play. We wait for it. So you can see this morning we were inside of this Potter box. So we just waited. Told the team members what I was going to do. We end up getting in, touching that first and that final TP. It looks like it's trying to go up even more, but I'm definitely not touching that right now. All right, so let's keep on going. CRWV. Let's take a look here. Hold on one second. X, everyone. Hold on one second. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and get rid of all this. Oh, wow. Yeah, dude, yeah, you might be onto something. Yeah, you might be onto something here. Maybe I... So, yeah, dang. Was I waiting on this one? I feel like I was waiting on this one. Wow, that looks good. That looks good. I do like that. I do want to do one on a 2 hour. Yeah, 2 hour looks good, honestly. So, okay, this is what I would do here. And yes, not selling anyone to get into any positions, any entries. So yes, you all have to do your own research, but yeah, that looks pretty banging there. Let's see. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. So yeah, it looks like we are in the empty space as of right now. What, top all there, nice, beautiful, bottom all here. And what I can see is we can somehow continue and get this nice break. We end up, oh dang, yeah, we did end up punching back there. Dang, that's just clear as day right now. I get it. Yes, I would love, hold on, I would love to stop out here. But I just, for me at least, I feel like there's more. Maybe I would try it up here. So that's 103. I get it. I would definitely have a liable trim here. Have a little couple free targets, but I would like this imbalance to be hit here. So yeah, pretty close. Same thing. So I would treat that as that imbalance. So same thing. What do I see here? Dang, yeah, that looks good. Clear gap down, no consolidation. If we can, and yeah, that's if. That's only if. If we can, especially if we get a nice close above, would potentially love to see that 98.31 and that 103. So basically what I'm saying here is once we hit that first TP, this is when I would want to exit out most of my position and leave the runners to that final TP. So just how I called out the Qs today. Told the team member this morning what we had. First TP. Once we hit that, yeah, I pretty much trimmed a lot of it, most of it. Left the runners to see if we can get the last part of it. We end up getting that. Hold on. Let's see. Marvel looks good too, though. Let's look at these cons really quickly. Let's see. 1 second here. 1 second. CRWV. I wish I saw this a little earlier. I think my alerts aren't working though. Is anyone else having this problem? Like, I add an alert and it just says alerts maintenance. We were doing some brief daily maintenance. Hopefully it comes back really soon though. I saw this morning. I was trying to add some alerts, but it just I guess we're having some problems here. But so yeah, no worries at all. CRWV, yeah, I like it a lot. So I'll do that and see that 9831 area. Let's see. September 12th, 19th. Okay, so 98. Yeah, I think, yeah, I'm going to write that down. So CRWV. I actually see a couple good things that I would like as well. So this is what I'm seeing here, of course. Like, yes, we do have the empty space above us. Yeah, that looks beautiful. We do have the empty space. We are above the POTTERBOX. Personally, yeah, I wish I would have saw it a little bit earlier to get a little earlier entry. But yeah, I do want to see that empty space there. Wait for QQ. Do you think it chops here? So for the Qs at least, this is what I'm seeing. So my final target was hit, and I know I've been going over it all morning. Obviously, yes, you know, called it out for the members. You can see how we called that out. Even before market opens, tell the members what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for, and what I can see is my final targets were hit. So I'm done with this play. I get it. Could I have made more money if I stayed in? Absolutely. Looks like we just hit one of my other entry points. Hold on, let's see. So for me at least, I'm not going to enter into this. I'll be honest. You know, maybe I could have left a runner, but I chose not to. So yeah, beautiful start to the Monday for the members and I. What I can also see, so this is on a 1 hour. Looks like sellers are taking control here. You can easily see, yes, we do have this nice clear move down, no consolidation. And this is what I would like to the upside, of course. But I will say, hold on. Oh, not mean to do that. We are at my next wall, so you guys see that 580, 82, whatever. So yeah, we tapped it perfectly. Yeah, so hold on, let's get rid of this. So yeah, sellers, yeah, Glock, yeah, sellers ended up taking control here. You can see my level tapped perfectly. So this is where sellers have control. So I will, yeah, I can't make this up, guys. You can even see on the Qs today this morning, I can't make it up. We have the entries, we get in. That's it. I know, you know, it looks wild. We do this every single day. Obviously, you know, great, beautiful start to the week. Now I do want to find at least one more trade for the team and then focus on the swing trades. So, and yeah, we'll go over that as well. But yeah, same plays each day. This is what I'm looking for the team and I. You know, once we can get those entries, this is what I'm looking for. You can see how we call out trades, swing trades, end of day. This is what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. Befores, the afters, Walmart. You can see, are you kidding me? Let's freaking go, Walmart. What one member did there. What a few of the other members did there. So shout out to Leah, shout out to all the other members. So these are the type of plays I'm looking for. What I can say now is, I personally won't get in just because I already got into this one this morning. But yeah, it looks good. If we can, you know, get above, I would. If I did end up trying a lotto, I definitely would wait for a body candle closure now. I definitely won't try any starters. At least for me. Obviously, you can see it differently, which is fine. That's cool. Not selling anyone to get into any plays. Obviously, I'm not in this anymore. I already took my profits and ran. But yeah, sellers has control here. So I can go ahead and make this box a little bit bigger so you know exactly which level I'm looking at. So don't worry about this line. Don't worry about any of this crap down here. my next goal is this empty space here. So that will be my next move. If we can get it, it looks great. So right now, and you can see that level that needs to be broken. That 580, 82. Alright, cool. Yo, Fritz, what's up, man? UNH and also ONDS. Okay, yeah, we can go over that as well. I can't even add an alert on there because my trading view doesn't want to. Wow, CRWV, I think we might end up getting that. Looks good. Alright, so 1 second. Dude, I don't even have my live stream pulled up. I had a video pulled up. Hold on. Alright, yeah, that's better. Okay, cool. Alright, cool. Tesla. Oh, Tesla looks like it's coming close to as well. Alright, so UNH, we'll take a look there. Also, we'll take a look at what? ONDS. Cool. So yeah, each play in the Discord exactly the same. So I get it. We had a very easy morning. You know, we had the plays that we wanted. We end up getting in. The fours, the afters. We end up getting in these plays. We end up getting out hitting those targets. Obviously we had HOOD. Contracts didn't fill, so I couldn't get into this one, but a couple of members did. But yeah, you can see this morning what I was looking at. This was before market even opened here. So yeah, each play is going to be exactly the same for me. So I do like to make it easy on the members. You can see easy plays, easy entries. I even told the members this morning. Hold on, let's see. So sorry. QQ above wall. So yeah, we're above wall now. If you try starters, you just have to use the box stop loss. We end up, you can see what the before here, and you can see how I pretty much call it the plays. See the befores there. As we're approaching our first TPs, I'm telling the members, okay, boom. And then yes, once we do hit that first TP, that's when we trim and leave those runners. We end up leaving those runners. This was what, 30 minutes ago or whatever. What? Make sure to take your money. I am done with this. So yeah, once my targets get hit, I'm pretty much done. I'm out. OCTO, dude, honestly, yeah. OCTO went crazy. I wish I would have saw that, but you know, it's fine, it's cool. Oh, actually, UNH isn't looking terrible right now. Okay, hold on, let's go over this. So yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything. So yeah, no worries at all. So UNH. Alright, if I took this on a 4-hour, this is what I would do. And yes. And yeah, guys, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat. Link is in the bio for the Discord. Just make sure to do your own research before tuning in. You can even talk to the members, ask them what we do here, ask them if we're, you know, BS or not. They will tell you straight up. Alright, so anyways, UNH, where are we at? So, yeah, this looks good. This looks great. Yeah, thanks for the follower. Appreciate it. So yeah, we do have that empty space there. I will say that 24-hour I do like. I do like this 4-hour though. So this 4-hour, the only reason why I like it a little bit better is because we do have a little bit more structure. Marvel, oh yeah, we'll go over that too. We'll go over that. I like it a lot, Gianni. Yeah, it looks good. So yeah, right now, yes, we do have empty space. So if we can get a nice break above this 326 area, which we're not there yet, I do want to see if we can go into that next target. Yeah, I gotta get some water in a second. But entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. Which is this? 351. I will say though, for UNH, this looks good. Maybe for an end of day swing. I do want to see if we can potentially get that. Doesn't look too bad. Yo, Amelia, what's up? Good to see you. Good to see you on this blessed Monday. JD pushing hard. It just pushed hard out of nowhere. I don't know if there's news. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look there. Lee, look at... All right, I feel like you're screaming my name through the camera, so yeah, we'll take a look at JD. All right, got you. No worries. Okay, I can't see this push here. Yeah, Gabriel, yeah, it is some crazy empty space for sure. Same thing with Marvel, though. All right, so yeah, we'll go over this, ONDS. All right, so yeah, I can see this. Let's go to a higher time frame. And then we'll, Mario, you're good, no worries. So yeah, if you ever see like a crazy play, yes, try to spam me, whatever. I really won't care. Okay, I do like that 24-hour a little bit better. On a, let's see, could go down to a lower time frame, break it down too. So okay, if I wanted to take this on a 2-hour, this is what I would do. Hold on. But I will say I do like that 24-hour a little bit better. So 1 second. It's been on my watch list. Okay, cool. Does it have any type of earnings play soon? Okay, no. Okay, we're good. All right, so yeah, as of right now, I do see that, yes, we do have empty space above us, which doesn't look bad. So yeah, we're trying to get there. Very close. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad there. Also, I can see, let's see, 24-hour charts. I like this 24-hour. So pretty much the same thing. I like how it lines up. So it lines up pretty nicely. Looks like we did end up trying to get that punch back here. Yeah, above that 32.46. I like that. So yeah, empty space here. Looks really good. So yeah, same thing. It looks exactly like the plays I just got in with the team members this morning. And yes, I went over 1,000 stocks today, but I focus on these small time, or not small time frames, but the same stocks, the ones that look good. Obviously, Tesla, I wanted that, but there wasn't a good play that I didn't, look forward to getting in. So this is what I'm looking at. Obviously, HOD, I called this out this morning. I couldn't get the entry because it didn't want to fill my contracts, but a few of the members did. You can see how I pretty much posted out setups, and yeah, posted all these setups here. And shout out to Stinger. Yeah, I've been going crazy there as well. All right, so now let's keep going here. So just smack beam and arts on a pullback. Y'all be able to, dude. Fireman, yeah, keep up the great work, bro. All right, so what? ONDS. All right, so yeah, let's get off of this 15-minute chart. Higher time frame, please. Tesla's at 349. Let me see. Where's Tesla at? Okay, yeah, there could be some potential puts in a second. I might take a snag at that. We'll see. Okay, so ONDS is pretty much going pretty wild there. What I like here is this. And yeah, each trade is the same in my Discord. Obviously, I'm looking for those end of day swings. Maybe I'll get into one more day trade for sure. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, as of right now, this is what I can currently see. And this is if we can get above this weekly, that 811. I could see this up to this, 960. So that will be my targets there. That doesn't look too bad. So that is on ONDS. Looks really good. So yeah, we shall see how that plays out. That's what I can see there. Tesla. Okay, so what I like for Tesla, maybe I could have took some sells at seller's control, but didn't end up doing that. Yo, Fishing, yeah, no worries, man. Yeah, if you have any other questions, anything, yeah, you can always drop it down in the comments. If you have anything to say in the Discord, you can, join the free chat and talk. A lot of decent information in there. A lot of really cool people. So, if you are new, if you don't know what we do here, always ask questions. No one's going to roast you. But yeah, links to the bottom for the Discord if you do want to join. Honestly, the free chat is there too as well. Oh yeah, Tesla looks good. Honestly, so Marvel looking pretty good. See our QQQ having some trouble there. So what I can see next is this. Oh, this looks good too. Hold on, Tesla. Dang, I should have took some sells at this, what, 354 and just held them, but it was cool. What I can see here is this. So what, under this 344. So yeah, I know we got to go down, what, 4 more bucks. What I can clearly see is once we can break under this, what, 344.57 area, I will say there is a lot of empty space here, so that looks really fairly good to me. Obviously I could take some at this 349.52 if we can hold that. Let's see. Let's go to a lower time frame. So yeah, I get it. Smaller pocket here. We could end up targeting into. That looks. Sorry for the bad circles, but yeah, that's also what I'm seeing. But yeah, if Tesla can fall, and we can break under this Potter box here, under this 344 area, I would be looking for this next play. This little play there. If I do end up getting into another one, it's going to be a little bit lighter for me since we did end up doing very well today. You can see very easy morning. We had the Qs before the aftermath. You can see ABGO before the after. HOD, I didn't get into this one, but a few of the members did. So yeah, we call out the setups, we call out the trades. You can see called them out right before market open. QQQ calls. You can see the aftermath there. We end up getting in, we waited. So the team members, keep a watch on these. So yeah, I post all my setups, all my trades inside the VIP Discord. And you can see ABGO, QQQ. You can see how I call out trades. I tell the team members, go ahead and trim and have the runners, leave the rest. We end up doing just that. You can see when we're about to hit those final TPs, I will stop out the rest if we can't finish. So yeah, I'm always honest. Whether if I win or lose the trade. And you can see when we were getting closer, I'm always there. That's why I told the team members today. We hit that final TP there. So that's all that I'm looking at. That's all I'm looking for here. Okay, so wait. We just closed on that 1 hour candle. I'm sorry, I did not mean to like my own live stream. But yeah, I do want to see if we can end up getting that. It looks really good. So that is on Tesla. And if we end up consolidating between this box or inside this box, I'm not going to get into anything. I did miss my other entry I could have gotten in. So I'm just going to wait for this nice little move here. So each trade is the same. You can see in my VIP Discord, what this was just this morning. I told the team members this morning. ABGO, QQQ, told the team members we're above the wall. Make sure to use the box as stop loss. Stop loss never hit. So these are the same plays I'm looking for. You can see what we did even just last week, Thursday, Friday. You can see we caught that Walmart play. What we did there. Over 110% profit there. So yeah, we wait for our setups. We don't change anything. You can see I call out the play. Once we end up getting the position, we get in. You can see how we call out plays and if we can get them. And you can also see the aftermath. Shout out to Wyatt. Are you kidding me? Walmart, let's freaking go. I get it. You know, this was a trade from what, Thursday or something like that. But you can see what we did today. 4 is the aftermaths. We just wait for those entries. So yeah, I'll see if Tesla can end up getting there. So it does look bad. All right, yes. Give me 1 second, guys. Going to grab me some water. I'm literally out of both bottles. Actually, you know what? I'm out for 3 bottles here. Literally. All right, so I got to grab me some more. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. We'll be going over some more trades, more plays, see if we can, what we can do here. But yes, please do your own research before you do anything, not financial advice. So yes, 1 second here, I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, everyone? All right, so yeah, got some water now. Got some cold water this time. So we'll see. We'll see how everything plays out. I drank 2 so far. Got 5 more to go, dude. I swear, I drink so much water. When I was face streaming, when I had my stream before TikTok took it away, yeah, the whole chat was like roasting me. They're like, dude, you drink so much water. Like, what's wrong with you? And honestly, I don't know what is. So yeah, sorry. Story of my life. Yeah, I drank a lot of water. Sorry. But anyways, yeah, we'll keep on going here. I am so mad I missed the discount. So yeah, I don't have any codes up. I was thinking about doing something soon, but yeah, honestly, not too worried about it. So yeah, if you want, you can just give me a DM for a promo code. I'm not really too worried. You know, we had a very great day already. End up getting in. Boom, before the afters. AVGO before the after. Boom, yeah, it was a beautiful, sweet day. Looking for one more day trade, and then yeah, going to end it off with some swings. Wow, CRWB looks like it might really go. That's why you got good skin. So yeah, you know, in the mornings, I try. I know I'm going off topic, but I just try to eat like fruit, just straight fruit and water. And then like after this live stream, I usually like eat something, like some real food, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, my bad. Let's get to trading talk. My bad. So yeah, Tesla, nothing there yet. We're still inside this box. So there's nothing that I would want to do here except for just wait. Yeah, I'm also half Asian, so I love the spicy foods. I love the fruits. I'll actually be eating some Vietnamese food after this too as well. So that's pretty much all I eat, honestly. All right, so anyways, let's keep on going here. Which broker do I use? So yes, I use Webull and also TradeStation. Webull, I like the Turbo Trader. That it helps me out a lot for sure. All right, so Gap looks like we can finally move here, and then we can go to, let's see. Yo, Potter, what's up? So I'm half Vietnamese, bro. So that's why I have one E in my name. So yeah, half Vietnamese. So yeah, I'm pretty much just eating Asian food all day. So yeah, that's pretty much the story of my life. Obviously, I may not look like it, but maybe I do. I don't know. Who knows? All right, so yeah, Gap. Honestly, I'm still in this one, but yes, we still have this empty space. So yeah, we're using the POTTERBOX right now. Shout out to Potter Stocks. Make sure to give them a follow. So yeah, we are still above this top wall to the empty space above us. Personally, I do want to see us continuing to, you know, go above. What I can also see, hold on, let's see. Let me look at a, okay, so on a 4 hour, what I can also see. Yo, Shark Tooth, thanks for the roses, thanks for the gifts, really appreciate it. Let's see. Top wall, bottom wall there. I would like to see us getting above that 23.99 area. So if we can somehow clear that, yeah, nothing stopping us there, then we could see that 25.71. So that's what I like. That's what I'm looking for. Doesn't look bad. So that is on Gap. Real good. And also, I think Potter's posting. I think he's hosting a class Wednesday. So yeah, you guys should go join that. So yeah, you should see it in his Discord too. So yeah, we'll keep going. So yeah, Tesla. I will take this if we can get it. As of right now, yeah, under this 344, this is what I like to this downside. So that's what I'm saying. All right, TWLO. Okay, cool. So TWLO, I think we're at inside the box there. So yeah, it was looking good this morning. Hold on, let's get rid of that. As for right now, yeah, we ended up getting that nice break above, but yeah, we just went inside that box. Do want to see if we can retest, but if we can't, then yeah, we may end up continuing that push there. AVGO. So yeah, AVGO was more of this morning, but we can go over that too. And Marvel. Let's see. Hold on 1 second here. Let's see. Let's see. So AVGO, and hold on, I'm gonna pull up contracts actually, so give me a second. So I didn't take them quite yet. Do you wait for a 4-hour close for confirmation? If I'm on the 4-hour, I would love that 4-hour confirmation close, but I will go down to a lower time frame for like maybe a 1 hour, 30-minute for good entry as well. Do you trade Forex? No, I don't trade Forex, but these charts do work on Forex though. But yeah, I personally don't trade Forex. Only options, obviously futures here too as well. But yeah, pretty much same plays. I post all the charts, and if they hit, cool. If they don't, that's fine. You can see even on Friday, we had IWM, we had a couple other good plays. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, if one play doesn't work, that's fine. I could care less because I know that there's another opportunity for sure. All right, so for AVGO, so this is on this, and yeah, we'll look at Marvel too in a second. After I clear this out. Let's see. Let's exit this out there. Perfect. All right, so AVGO. So yeah, this beautiful trade. We end up getting in. I went over this morning. We end up getting above this wall. Obviously, we hit that first, and that final TP ended up hitting there. What I like here, okay, so hold on, give me a second. I will say, I mean, of course, this could be a nice box here, but this is not what I'm talking about. So this could be a nice little box there. We could continue, go down back to this box there. That's what I can see as for right now. JD doing beautifully too. Let me see. QQ still having some, hold on. And yes, we'll still go over that analysis. I do want to look at it. Oh, wow. JD actually doesn't look bad though. JD. Yeah, that actually doesn't look bad, especially 24-hour end of day. We get above that, yeah, it looks good. So yeah, we'll have to see. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on that. So honestly, I have a lot of swings that I like today. So end of the day is what I'll be looking at a lot. All right, so anyways, let me stop yapping. All right, so anyways, I do like this. So this will be my next move that I can see. Honestly, I'm still going to use the same box. I like the same box here. There's still empty space under us. So underneath this level, body wick, body candle, or 2 body wicks there, closing directly at the same price. Once we can get this nice break under us, I do want to see if we can go into this empty space. So yes, what do we have? Clear gap up, no consolidation. We can, or if we can, of course. If we can get this nice break under us, we do have this empty space that doesn't look too bad. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking for under this 332. So yeah, that looks really good. So I get it. Yes, we already hit that empty space above us. I could care less about this right now unless we can somehow get under us. So it looks really good. All right. So Marvel, yeah, I'm liking this a lot. CRWV, yeah, that looks crazy too. All right. So as of right now, let me see. How much time do you buy typically? So for my trades, I at least like what, 1 or 2 weeks. Maybe sometimes it may be a little bit longer depending on the time frame, but mainly 1 to 2 weeks for me. That's what I mainly do. Wow, CRWV is going there. So let's see. Let's look at 68s. Let's see, 68s don't look terrible either. 68, 70s. Yeah, I like the 68 or the 70s. Depending on the fact. All right, so that is on. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any play, so please do your own research before doing anything. But yeah, I will say, like, if I'm, doing a day trade though, so if it's like this little QQQ play that we have, that we just had today. So yes, in our Discord, we mainly focus on the swing trades. The swing trades offer me a lot more, as you can see for an example. Swing trade there on that Walmart play. AEO swing trade. It offers me a lot more. But yeah, if I take a day trade, I still would take it. It'll just, I'll just wait for those clear quality entries. But yeah, for the day trade, like just for today, if I end up taking a position, either I'll get 0 DTEs or I'll, get a day or two out. So, and honestly, buying time is definitely going to be your friend. So let's just say if I'm in the Q's play 0 DTEs, this is why I always spam the chat. So I always spam the chat like, okay guys, if it doesn't work, please get out. So you can see me when I called it out, when we called out the entries. This was at 9:34, and you can see trim the Q's, leave the runners, yada yada. I spam the chat. I'll stop out if we can't finish the final. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so one second. One second. Alright, cool. What are the boxes for? So the boxes are for me to make money. Well, sorry. In other words, yes. So you can see, same thing. Each trade. So I'm basically targeting an area of no consolidation. But I use these Potter boxes. So I use these boxes. This is basically an area of consolidation where these candles are going back and forth. So you can easily see, yes, candles are clearly going back and forth between two levels. What I'm waiting for is a break outside of the box, targeting the empty space. So this is what I'm targeting. So they both go hand in hand. So same thing. I want to show you some like easy examples. So you can see, we had a clear gap down, clear, easy move down, right? This is what I'm targeting to the upside. But in order for me to do this, I would need a Potter box. So in other words, a top wall and a bottom wall. Are wicks included in your boxes? So yes, wicks, and I also use body candles. Obviously in this example, they're just body candles. And I usually go by 2 to 3 points of contact or more. So that's 2 points of contact. That's enough for me. We end up breaking above the wall. We end up going into the empty space, targeting this right here. So there will be examples like, hold on. I want to show you like an example of like one with wicks included. So give me a second here. So yeah, there will be like a lot of charts that will have wicks that are included. Sometimes it can be wicks, sometimes it can be just body candles, and sometimes it can be both. Hold on, give me a second. I want to show a good example here. Hold on, give me a second. And you can see like the type of plays we end up getting into, like what I'm aiming for, things like this, things like that. You can see also the other members, but hold on, give me a second here. Let me look. I'm trying to find like a good example with wicks. Hold on, let's see. So not that. So yeah, you can see all the charts that we end up getting to. Like this is literally all the plays. Hold on, give me a second. maybe on... Yeah, I really can't find an example right now. That's great. Or actually, yeah, maybe this. Hold on. Not Marvel. Okay. So maybe on this, what? CRWV play. So this same thing here. So yeah, we had this, what? Clear gap down, no consolidation. Obviously, we're in the empty space right now. But we end up getting this nice box. So I used body candle there. Top wall, I saw a wick here. So that's one wick here. Also, there's a wick there. There's also a body candle. So that's 3 points of contact that I was looking for. So it doesn't matter. There's, you know, times where it could just be just the wicks. And there's times where it could just be body candles. But yeah, I'm just looking for that structure. So same thing like on a 30-minute chart here. So this is what I'll look for on the downside. So this honestly looks really good. 3 points of contact so the more points of contact, the better. Yeah, this is for me. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course, before doing anything. But for me, yes, I like to go by 2 to 3 points of contact or more. And yes, we all know about the 3-tap method. So shout out to Glock. He's in the Discord. He teaches, you know, the members how to be the floors, how to be, you know, for those earlier entries. And also, you know, very simple. We post the plays, and I tell the team members, let's wait. And for those entries, we end up getting those breaks. That's what I'm looking at. And this happened just today. You can see how crazy of a move it was. And yeah, we had empty space below us too. That's what I'm looking at. So for instance, on AVGO, a break below 333. 333 will be your confirmation to gap. So okay, so same thing here. So we did this on a 30-minute, 15-minute chart. So a break above. So, and yes, I do see what you're saying here. But yes, clear gap down, no consolidation. We end up breaking, closing above. Obviously, we retest it. So once we either get a close retest or once we're breaking above, lower time frame, that's when I enter. So same thing for, so what, maybe a 1 hour, I think. So on this 1 hour chart, and okay, this is actually wicks here for example, of course. We have a top wall. Obviously, I could tweak it a bit if I wanted to. Bottom wall, there's a body wick, also another body wick. So I'm using just wicks this time. So under that 332 area, this will be my indication, like once we can break, especially get a close, lower time frame, this will be my indication like, okay, I'm ready to get into my puts, and I will be targeting this empty space here. And this box tells me everything. It tells me when I can enter, when I have to take profits, when I have to stop loss. So let's just say if we're going down, it's going good, boom, we're cool, it's going great. And then we somehow reverse, we go back into this box, this is when I'll stop out and find that re-entry. Obviously, like what, for today, wow, JD's doing really good too. Like we didn't have to get stopped out. We had the trades. We never went, so we broke above. We never went back into the box here. I think what right at open it retested, but other than that, yeah, we stayed the course. We hit those targets. The same thing, AVGO. Got those breaks, ended up going up. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I do all the plays. Obviously, you know, I go over 1,000 setups, but in the mornings I tell the team members what I want. Obviously, I want a target, but we didn't even get an entry on that yet. So I sent in the chat, shout out to Rug Reality as well. Told the team members right before market open, AVGO, watching this, keep a watch of this too. And then I posted another setup that I also liked. We end up getting in. So yeah, we're using POTTERBOX right now. So shout out POTTERBOX. Great guy, great person. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can see I was looking for these QQQ calls this morning, right before the market even opened. I told the team what I was looking at. We end up having the position. We end up getting in. Easy day. So yeah, I do like to make it easy on, you know, the team members. And also myself, because I'm looking for the same thing, and If it hits, cool. If it doesn't, that's perfectly fine as well. So let's see. How long have you been trading for? So I've been trading for like, what, 5 years or so. So yeah, I've been like just stuck on the screen pretty much every single day, even before the Discord, before the live streams, whatever. This is what I was doing. So yeah, we'll keep going. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, be a part of the team, links in the bio. You can look in the games page. You can even talk in the free chat, see what we do here. They were just having the conversation just yesterday. What we did, what we do here as well. You can even see, that's wild. This is the best Discord I ever joined. My first day, I turned 24 bucks into, and yeah, this was yesterday. This was in the free chat here. So yeah, I actually gotta like that. But yeah, you can see what the people are saying as well. All right, so JD doesn't look too bad. Apple, let's see here. I think I do have something here that I am waiting for. All right, so 4 hour upside CRM. Yo, Jazz, thanks for the follow. We appreciate it. So let's see. Yeah, I like this a lot. So yeah, we do have this clear gap down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would love to take to the upside. As you can see, we do have a nice Potter box that needs to be broken. If we can get that nice break above this 241 area, yeah, I do see that. Maybe for a nice swing there. Personally, we still are inside of a little bit of consolidation. Maybe on a 1 hour, we could. Ooh, actually, 1 hour doesn't look bad. So I'm pretty much waiting for this bigger move here. That does look bad. To the downside. I can also see that, yeah, I mean, we do have a nice Potter box, top wall there, bottom wall here. We do have this empty space that is clearly under us, so that's if we can get this drop in continuation. That's what I can see. So I get it, small move, nothing crazy. What, a dollar move? That's what I'm seeing it as well. Why do you call it? So yeah, that's just a strategy's name. And also, shout out Potter. He actually created that. So yeah, it's just a Potter box. The Potter box. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's basically an area of consolidation that needs to be broken. Obviously, with buyers and sellers. Yeah, Harry Potter. What is the 1 hour time frame on? So yeah, I mean, it should just allow you to look at the different time frames. We also use the 24 hour too, so just like all these other plays, and you can see we'll have plays on the 1 hour, the 2 hour, so it should let you do that as well. So I'll be honest, haven't used Thinkorswim in a while, so. Yo, Mike, what's up, bro? Yes, sir, my guy. Yeah, so, I mean, I do like it. We are in that empty space here. I do want to see, like, some type of counter closure or maybe end of day on this. We do have the empty space above us, so if we can, it looks good. And Glock, yeah, Glock is actually one of the mods inside the Discord. So, yeah, shout out to Glock as well. So, yeah, I do like it a lot. As long as we can stay above the 64, 68 area. I do want to see that 60, hold on, give me a second, My target's off by like, hold on, my target's off by like, okay, my final target was off just a bit. But yeah, I look like that 76. So yeah, it looks clean. So we'll have to see. Alright, so Apple looks like we're trying. So that doesn't look too bad. Also, we can go over Tesla. We'll take a look here. $65, $30 or so is Yeah, so if we can get above that, it looks good. I do see that we do have a little bit of turbulence here. But yeah, that's just what I'm seeing. So yeah, Tesla's still waiting on this. You know, for trades that once we can get, you know, some entries, that looks good. You know, just like for Tesla, I like it a lot. You know, this is something that I would want, but we are still in these boxes. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing for all these trades here. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. Crazy great day already. So yeah, getting ready for maybe one more trade and then an end of day swing. So yeah, if you do want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, part of the community, see how we call out plays. You can see those plays ended up hitting inside the games page, the same exact plays. Yeah, you can join up. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat as well. Everything will be in the link in the bio. But yes, if you don't want to join, no worries. You don't have to. I will be here the last 2 hours or so for the end of day live stream. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. Hope you all have a blessed one. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. See you either in the Discord or in the live stream.